And we're back for another video. We're here with the BMW, the new one, the G20 330i. And we have our first little aesthetic upgrade, modification, whatever you want to call it. It's a new grille. So this one has the regular, I guess, package. But I don't know if you can see here. I got smoked by a rock and it cut through the film and it made this bubble up. So we're gonna replace that. Now, I went with an all black gloss grille to match with the gloss black here, the gloss black down there. This whole grille is gloss black, and this grille is black. So it's actually very easy to replace this. You only need two tools, a trim removal kit and a T30. So we're gonna get started on that. Let me pop the hood and get the tools out. Okay, we've hit our first snag. It has nothing to do with the car, everything to do with me. I purchased a set of trim removal kit tools and I can't find it. So we're gonna work without it. So I have a flathead screwdriver and my T30. So basically what you wanna do initially is, how the hell do you want to peel it? There we go. Alright, I'm trying to be gentle. This isn't a car where I'm going to be an animal on. Well, I'm going to be an animal on it, but we'll get more into that on why. But, there we go. Once this foreskin is off, you're going to pry all these little tabs out. So, there's 4 of them here. And what's going to happen is you pry them. You can pry from the middle. You're going to pull its middle portion out first. And then you can pull out the bigger section around it. So let's see if I can do this with the camera. So here we have it. Oh, there we go. Just give it a little wiggle. Just grab with your fingers. Pull. There you go. It's not broken. Thank God. Car's making noises. Once that's out, just kind of wiggle the flathead. Again, it's kind of hard with the camera. Nail under it. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Just like that. That one's out. So we'll take out these other 4 and then we'll continue on with the video, people. Okay, so far so good. Nothing broke. That's always a good sign. And then you should be able to just pry this will just come off. Are these clips? Yeah, these are clips. So these are clipped in. So let me get these off and we'll go from there. Okay guys, the nice thing about working on cars is that everything is trial and error. I broke these 2 clips. I was pushing them in, thinking they'd release. No, you want to push them out. But now I got this piece off. As you can see, I broke those 2 tabs, but those are still intact. So you want to push them out. Those 2 are intact, these 2 are broken. It happens. It's not the end of the world. It's not a big deal. Okay, now you're gonna get your T30. Hold on, people. Keep holding. Oh god. There we go. Make sure nothing falls. T30 right here. This is the only. It's the only bolt you should have to remove. So remove this. The nice thing about this grille is that it's separate from the active. Made in the Czech Republic. Ooh. So that's out. The nice thing about this is the grille is actually separate from the grille shutters. But next you're gonna pop all these little tabs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then there's gonna be ones on the bottom. Also, don't damage your camera. So I'm gonna get those tabs out and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, I got all the tabs out. It's gonna fight with you a little bit. It's not the end of the world. It's gonna take a little bit more force than you think it's gonna need, but it's gonna come off. And then right here, you have the camera. So what you're gonna do is just push these two aside and pull the camera out, which is what I'm gonna do. Again, one-handed, so it's gonna be hard. Fuck it. I'm gonna have to put the camera down, people. Just like that, the camera's out. Just like that, the grill is out. We didn't break any tabs. It's kind of nice. Now, here, come in. This is our new box. Let's see. This is flat. I have to open it, people. Box is kind of damaged. So this grill it's nicely wrapped up. $58 on Amazon with 4.8 reviews. 4.8 stars. Look at that gloss black. Oh, it's beautiful. The camera cut out, I think, just okay, this hole comes out, then there's your camera cutout right there. So we're just gonna reverse it. Should be super easy. Just line it up like this. Grab the camera. You don't want to scratch the lens on the camera, so be careful. Camera's gonna be super easy. You just feed it through like this, and it should lock into place. There we go. It is locked into place. And now, sorry about the camera angles, guys. It's kind of hard. I usually got my GoPro on me with Horizon Lock. But now you just slide it in. That's what she said. So we're gonna click this in. Again, you just push back in and it should click into place. So it's all put back in. Here's the issue. It's gonna sound like it's breaking. It's not, it's fine. All the tabs are in. These side tabs are kind of hard to get in, but it's all in. It's all lined up. Shit. I want to destroy the old one. Oh, it looks super good. But all the tabs line up, which is nice. Just gonna run the screw in there. Tighten it. So it grill's all in. It's all good, it's all sturdy. Yeah, those videos that people post, they make it look so easy. And I mean, it is easy, don't get me wrong. It is an easier update or upgrade. But it will sound like it's breaking, but I promise you it's not breaking. That's just how it is. But she's in. Looks super clean. Goes really well with the gloss black over here and the gloss black down there. And the black over here. Oh yeah. Then, just to reverse what you did, you get this piece right here. Put it over here. It will kind of tuck under this right here, and then it goes back together. So we'll put that back, and then we'll put the rubber thing over it, and it'll be good to go, people. Okay, so it's all put back together. Make sure when you put this gasket back, it actually like clicks and locks into place. These tabs locked. This one broke. It's not a big deal. It won't come up because these two tabs are holding, as well as these bolts over here, as well as this gasket. Close it. And then let me just wipe it down. Okay, I had this stuff, this Best Buy Essential LCD cleaner, worked perfectly. Now, again, The video is kind of all over the place because I'm doing it from the perspective of just a normal guy that lives in an apartment complex. I'm not doing it from the perspective of Keys Motorsports or something where they have a whole garage and they know what they're doing and they've done it a million times. This is first time person doing it, you know, but with no like background in it. Never done it before, but it looks really good. It goes very well with the gloss black. Everywhere I wiped it down, so she looks pretty clean. Hold on. See, that helps. There we go, look at that. Oh, that looks so much better. Woo.